Okay, so this is day 2 of backtesting. Okay. So 15-minute high, 15-minute low, mark 9:15. Okay. No inverse. Inverse, if we break structure here. We did break structure, but out of the macro. Would have been stopped out anyway. Okay. Oh boy. So I'd say the most recent, or the closest lows here, which we actually have equal lows with. It's a big draw. Excuse me. Let me just shrink these. Mark 9:15. Excuse me. All right, this is like atrocious right there. But we didn't take anything because this low was swept prior to 9:30 right here, and it was not swept with displacement. I also did reset the session, so we're on a new session with the like updated win rate, stuff like that. Because I did make some like fine tuning to the strategy, and I wanted that to reflect in the win rate. Some more rules and stuff like that. 9:30. All right, we're probably coming for these or not. All right, so we have an inversion. Market structure shift, so I want to see us come down to minimum the order block. And equal highs. We could leave a runner for up here. So what's 1 to 2? One to two is here. So we'll take 50% off here. So I'm using 5 contracts, so 2 off here, 3 off here, 1 off here, 1 off here. All right, we tapped in. Stopped out. Interesting day for price action. Well, one, I think we wanted these lows. Let me see. Oh, wow. Wait, what? Interesting price action. I don't understand this, but I mean, it did eventually. I mean, I guess this was the draw, these two right here. And then it hit TP, but okay. Bunch of highs here. I like when all these highs form when there's a bunch of low resistance stuff. This here, and then we'll mark these just because. All right. Okay. So just looking at this, I think we're going to take these lows and then just move higher. But I don't know. We will see what price wants to do. Okay, looking good. Market's open. Took the lows. Are we going to take these? No market structure shift. No trade for me, but let's just see if it plays out. Market structure shift. Need an inverse. Inverse here. We're going to close above here. Yep. So then if we get a retrace to here, I'll enter. Stops below here. Targeting full TP will be there. It's probably not going to get there, but we'll see. Tapped in. Stopped out. That's why we don't trade. Not in our macro, though. Yeah, so like we just wanted to go lower. All right, what do we got here? High here. highs here, and then highs here. Lows here. Fuck. All right, we'll see what price wants to do with these levels. All right. Still good so far. Market open. Took out highs. There's one more set. All right, so we had an inverse and a market structure shift. So I could have entered off this candle, but the risk to reward is kind of garbage. We don't have anything over here. So I wouldn't have taken a trade today either. We got, these highs, these highs, these lows, and 915. Market's open, my God. Bro. Alright, so just off this, I'm gonna stay out. Like, dude. That's nuts. Alright, so highs here, highs here, highs here. We got lows. Really don't have much for lows. Down here. And then 915. Let's see what happens. Market's open. I mean, these wicks are crazy, dude. All right, but we took out the low. Fair value gap formed. Inversed. Fair value gap formed. Well, we're out of the macro. So again, we could just see. I guess it just wants to go down. This is December 2021. So we're about to finish up December in a couple days here. We'll probably end the video off with finishing up December, and then I'll show you guys the stats. And then, yeah, that'll be it for me today. Market's open. All right, so we took the highs at 943. That's good. All right. Out of the macro, but I would have entered here on the retrace this order block, stops above here. Targeting these lows. No, these lows. We would have been stopped to break even because 1 to 2 is here. Somewhere over here. Tech off 3 contracts. I wouldn't have taken off contract here, but my stop would have moved up to about like here. So nothing there. And I think it's just December price action in general is just not the best. I mean, some days are just like beautiful, but other days are like, yikes. You know what I'm saying? All right, that's really it for today. Oops. There's really not many highs or lows over here. Let's mark 9:15. 1 minute. Hold on. Market's open. Swept the high. Negative fair value gap to form. We have one here. Inverse. Yeah, nothing today. I mean, like, bruh. Hold up. All right. Highs here. Lows here. Lows here. Lows here. I want to see this or that. 9:15. Okay. Why are we at? Bruh. Okay, never mind that. High. Low. 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 9:15. Took the low before 9:30. Would not have entered anything here. Like, I don't like if it goes just straight up, straight down. I don't like to trade on those days. And there wasn't anything either. Expecting a sell-off today, just based on what I've learned in the past few days with tax harvesting in December. Got chopped up by that yesterday. So I don't even know if it'll follow the model. We'll see. 9:30. All right, so we have a market structure shift. We do not have an inverse, though, but we do have a very nice fair value gap here. 50% mark. Target the highs. This is right in the macro, too. Buy limit 5. Entered in. Oh shit, wait. 2 would be here. So we're taking 3 off here, 1 off here, final there. Three. Save. Stop to break even. Stop break even. All good. Would it have ran? Would have been stopped out. Okay. Yeah. I just started doing the 1 to 2, and that's saved me more times than not. Gotta secure profits. All right, so we got a couple more days left. Highs here. Shit. Highs here. Highs here. A lot of highs, a lot of highs. Lows here. Not a lot of lows. Okay, and 9:15. Market open. Took the highs immediately. All right, so what do we got here? No fair value gap. No market structure shift. Oh, fair value gap still. Yeah, nothing today. All right. We still have some leftover highs from the day before. But it is the day before New Year's Eve. So I doubt we'll be taking anything today, but we'll see. Took it before 9:30. We took this at 9:30. Nothing today. We gotta save the highs and lows. They need to be swept at 9:30 or later. Sorry, so this is New Year's Eve. But I mean, the model is working though. Sweeps these highs and then goes straight up to these highs. Like if there was an entry somewhere in here, let's look. Market structure shift here, retrace to this fair value gap, boom. Stops below these lows or these lows. Bro, for a nice 1 to 6, 1 to 5, 338 ticks. So it's working as intended. It's just, it's not really giving me what I like to execute on. This is all right, as long as it's working. Today is New Year's Eve, so we will see if we will be given anything. All right, so we took it at 9:29. Big candle up. Big. All right, so that's going to be it. Yeah, so there was just nothing today. Tough. All right, so that will be it for today. So this was the performance for December. 60% win rate. We took 5 trades. It's not the best. 3.62 RR. It's not bad. There we go. Okay. So we made 1,500 in the month. Max RR 6.09. 3% best win, 0.5%. I like that. Wow, Friday is kind of crazy. 3%, not horrible. All right, I'm pretty satisfied with these stats. All right, I will stop it here, and we'll pick it up tomorrow. Peace.